Hi, I'm going to try in this short video to explain to you how to use app password from your Google account with your Google account in Social Engineering Kit to send phishing mails. You need to activate two steps verification before you can get to create an app password. So now we are inside one of my Google accounts, and I went from my Google account to manage your Google account. You can see this option, and then I used the security tab, and then I went down to signing into Google. So as you see, the two-step verification option is off, so I'm going to turn it on now. It's gonna ask me to type my password, and now it's asking me to verify it from my phone. This is my phone number, so it's gonna text my phone now. If you don't have a phone number in your Google account, it's not gonna work. So it sent now a message to my phone number with the verification code. So I typed the verification code, and now it's active. Now the two-step verification is on. Now I can create an app password. First I need to go to click on it, as you see, and then it will ask me again to type my password. So I typed my password. Now I need to choose the app. I will create other. I will go for Linux, generate, and it will generate the password. It's gonna be I'm gonna keep this password next to me in a sticky note to use it inside the social engineering kit. And I'm gonna copy also my email address, or the one that I'm gonna use in the phishing attack. And that's it for creating the app password. It's there. I can use it in Social Engineering Kit and the next step. So let's move now to Social Engineering Kit. I'm gonna use another one. So this is So I type the password, now it's open. So we have here the options, what kind of attack do we want to perform. So I'm gonna use the number 1 because it's a social engineering. Let's wait for the answer. I do not know why it's so slow. So we need a mass mailer attack, number 5, and then we need a single email attack, again number 1, and then it's gonna prompt asking us to which mail we want to send this mail. So I'm gonna choose another account. So I'm gonna do copy paste selection, then use a Gmail account, then your Gmail address, the one we want to send the email from, or the one we created the app password for. You can type any name you want. I'm gonna just type my name. Then we need the app password, the one we created. Paste, clipboard, then enter. Flag this message as a high priority. I'm gonna type yes. Do you want to attach a file? And type no, we don't want to attach files. Do you want to attach an inline file? No, we don't. Email subject. Any email subject or anything that makes sense, or be a millionaire. And then we are coming to, do you want it as a plain text or HTML? We want it as HTML, so H. We need now the body of the text, which is now you need to take screenshots, and at the time taking the screenshots you need to type in capital letters. So as you see, now it's done. Congratulations, you made it.